Talking about the Future 2, Grammar Activation Pack 13. English has no future. In the previous Grammar Activation Packs, I've introduced you to the present and the past tenses, along with the simple, continuous and perfect aspects. I also mentioned that English has only the two tenses, present and past. So where does this leave us when we want to talk about the future? Don't worry, there are several ways that we can talk about the future, including using will and shall, which is what I'm going to explain in this lesson. Will or shall for future. There are two modal auxiliary verbs that we use to mark the future in English. The first is will, which we use with a bare infinitive, that is, a verb without to. The festivities will start next week. The second is shall, which we also use with a bare infinitive. I shall teach you about the future over the next few pages. Both of these statements are talking about future events. To access all of the audio and all of the Activation Pack material, sign up for a British membership today and get your first month free. Asking for decisions. We normally use shall to ask for decisions or ask for instructions. Shall I leave the door open? Shall we watch a movie? Let's go to the cinema, shall we? Now what shall we do? What time shall we be there? We do not use will in this way. To access all of the audio and all of the Activation Pack material, sign up for a British membership today and get your first month free. Decisions made at the moment. When we make a decision on the spur of the moment, we generally use will, not shall. If the doorbell rings, you might say, "I'll get it."
If you buy it today, there's a 50% discount on the full price.
Okay, I'll take it.
And for just €10 more, you can have the deluxe version.
Deluxe, eh? Sure, why not? I'll take the deluxe version too. To access all of the audio and all of the Activation Pack material, sign up for a British membership today and get your first month free. Conditionals. Will is used to say what will happen if something else happens. You will be able to talk about the future if you study this activation pack. If it doesn't rain this afternoon, I'll go for a bike ride. If I see him, I'll give him the message. Will is used in first conditionals which talk about things which could well happen in the future. More about conditionals in a future grammar activation pack. To access all of the audio and all of the activation pack material, sign up for a British membership today and get your first month free. Negative will for refusals. The negative of will is will not, often shortened to won't in speech. You will eat your peas.
I won't.
You won't go to the cinema if you don't do your homework. We won't have bases on the moon in my lifetime. Won't can also be used to form polite requests. Won't you sit here for a while? To access all of the audio and all of the activation pack material, sign up for a British membership today and get your first month free. Not rooted in present. We use will to talk about future events which are not rooted in the present. Do you think I'll understand the movie? Let's hope the new secretary will be efficient. Here we're not talking about the present, just the future. The sentences are not rooted in the present. If things are rooted in the present, we prefer going to or the present continuous. I'm going to the cinema tonight. We're getting a new secretary. Here, decisions already exist in the present, so the sentences are rooted in the present. To access all of the audio and all of the activation pack material, sign up for a British membership today and get your first month free. English activation packs are exclusive to Britlish.com. Become a Britlisher and get 1 month full access free.